Hey everybody, how are you? And I am here with my first Valentine DIY. And in this DIY, I am going to be taking one of the Dollar Tree trucks and one of their long heart wall decor pieces and some lights from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to transform this into a fun Valentine piece of decor. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let me adjust this light a little bit. I'm going to put my batteries into the lights. And this one is going to be really quick, you guys. I mean, really quick. Now, I would love to have found the heart lights. I thought those would be adorable, but I don't want to wait around to keep looking. I just want to get this done so you guys can, yeah, that'll be pretty. So you guys can see. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off, because I'm not going to hang this, take off the ribbon, and then I want to cut apart these here. Also, I will be having a Valentine home tour, and I'll come back and let you know the date of that. It won't be too far away, because once you're in January, I mean, it's like Valentine is just, I mean, right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to decide which ones I want to go here. So what I'm going to do with this, I think I'm going to wrap and just put it to the back. And this is just exactly what we did with our, turn it this way so it's easy to turn on, with our Santa Claus and our snowmen, remember? Take this Gorilla Tape, and I'm telling you that this tape is nuts. I've told you before how sticky it is. I mean, it's almost too sticky to where you can't hardly even get it off the roll, you know? I mean, it's nuts. I'll tell you what, when it's down and adhered, it is down. So now I have that secured. Okay, so I have the battery. You can see that I have that taped on. And I glued one of the hearts onto the truck. And now I'm just going to figure out how I want the hearts with this light. So what I might do is just go ahead, okay, so there is two of them, and I don't know if the camera's taking it backwards or if you can see it, but I'll turn it around. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I was figuring out my lights. I'm going to outline the truck with them because these are very movable and there's room in between the lights. So I'm going to come in after I'm done putting up my hearts on it. I'm just going to mold it, if you will, into, and kind of just go by the shape, and I'm going to go all the way around the truck. I won't do all that on camera. It's just tedious and it's wasting your time. But I'm going to finish putting on the hearts. And I think I'm going to put this welcome one way up here. I think that'll look cute. And I don't know if I want to... Yeah, I think I want to put it behind, actually. But let's wait for that one. Let's put these two... So what I'm going to do right now is finish the hearts, the placements of where I want them. And then I will come in and off camera I will you know, string the lights, because there's no sense in seeing that. It's just a waste of your time. Okay, so there it is so far. And then this welcome, I'm going to put that, I'm going to put that one up here, and I'm going to go behind, I think. Yeah, I'm going to go right there. Okay, so I think this turned out adorable. Look at that little welcome there, okay? And then I'm going to put this on an easel like I did the others for Christmas. How adorable is that going to be? Then I'm going to put the lights, and I'm going to bring them, I think, right around the truck. But I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do with these, and then I'll be back. Okay, let me show you so far. Do you see the lights here? So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the wire, and I'm not hot gluing it, I'm just taping it with that duct tape in the back so the wire, it doesn't show. I'm doing it as best I can. You're going to see a little bit, but that's not a big deal to me. But it's not like you're seeing the wire, you know, a huge amount. But it is framing each one of the hearts, and then it'll come down to the car. Okay, I'm going to keep going, and when I'm all done with it, I'll come back. Okay guys, so here we are. So I strung, like I said, I put all the lights on, and then I just taped with that Gorilla Tape the wire to the back the best I could, so you could just see the lights more than anything. At night, I think this will look really, really cute. So here it is over just one of those strands of hearts that were all put together, and I just clipped them separate and then glued them onto this truck. Guys, I hope that you like this video. I hope that you'll try it. I think it would make an adorable centerpiece. I think it's really, really cute, and you will see it in my home tour. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Bye.